Guys, these are dupes. Hi guys, I finally got my hands on the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat in Hot Chocolate. Now I have 3 dupes that are honestly pretty close to the exact. There's one that's not as glossy, but I still think it's a really great dupe. I haven't heard anyone talk about these and I want to share them with you. And you guys can let me know down below if they're a dupe or not. I can see why people really like this product. It looks beautiful on the lips on everybody. Now it's not as pigmented as it looks in the bottle. You would think it'd be darker, but it's really not. And we just got to get into dupes. My first dupe, which is the cheapest, it costs $5. The Fenty one costs about $24. Big difference. For anyone who is new to this line, it is plumping. I'm not the biggest fan of plumping, so my options are not plumping at all. My first dupe is the NYX Butter Gloss Non-Sticking Lip Gloss in Ginger Snap. Now there are a few other brown shades that they have, and I actually bought a couple of them, and this one looked like the closest match. Really does smell like a sugar cookie. I can't remember the last time I bought a butter gloss, but it truly is non-sticky. This NYX one looks so pretty. It's not something I would typically pick up myself if I were to just kind of see it at a CVS, but it looks so good. I really think this is the closest dupe you're going to find. The second dupe we have is the Honest Beauty Gloss, the Sea Lip Gloss in Axinite with coconut oil. This costs $13.99. So this one I kind of guessed. I just got it online. I was like, this looks like a dupe. Hopefully it is because I didn't see any models wearing it. But just from the packaging, I was like, that might be a really good dupe. Let me show you guys. Now this is in a squeezy tube. So now this one is not as dark as the other two. I really think NYX is like the perfect dupe. This is just a little more, I would say, warmer and not as deep. And the last dupe we have is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Brown Sugar. Now this was a limited edition last year, and that's when I originally got it, and just recently they just came out with it, so you can get it anytime. And this costs $23, so it's only $1 less than the Fenty one. But I wanted to introduce something that's not a lip gloss, but maybe for anyone who's interested in a lip balm, or you have this in your collection from last year, something to consider. Now, if you want something light on the lips, definitely check this one out. It has a lovely smell. I don't find it to be too strong. The Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balms are my go-to. This one's just perfect for the fall. If you have naturally darker lips and you're looking for something that's more everyday that you can kind of just pop on and not have to worry about it, definitely check this out because this is going to look so beautiful on you. I hope you guys enjoyed those dupes. I still can't believe that I found more than one dupe. Let me know down below if you guys have found any other dupe. How do you feel about the Fenty Gloss Bomb? Do you like it? Would you prefer some of these? Let me know down below. If you enjoy those types of videos, please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!